Okay, today we're doing the bad lever assembly on the AR-15. This is a nice little attachment. Costs you about 50 bucks, but it's well worth it.
You can turn it into a boat or a plane, but just act like the plane or boat. Daisy, you know what? What? Are you turn it back? I just showed you. Did you catch it? I just showed you. He just did it right now. A Fortnite.
Okay, and it's just that easy.
There's a hot Cheeto when you're done with that. I'm done. My mom told me I can't eat. Careful. My mom said that I can't
Flip it over.
That's that Fortnite.
Just one simple screw to attach to the back of the thing, and there it is, right there. Okay, slide it back and then slide your bolt back and then hold that up. You gotta hold that up. Okay. Slide the bolt back. Okay. So that catches the bolt. And then when you're ready to let it go, just push it down. And that is the bad lever. So we're just about finished with this build. A couple more knickknacks on this AR-15. Call it the Punisher. Thank you for watching.